In this video, we'll demonstrate how to easily crop videos using CapCut. CapCut is a top-rated free video editing app available for both iPhone and Android devices. If you need to crop a video for a project, TikTok, or any other purpose, I'll show you how to do it quickly. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to crop. For this example, I have a beautiful video of my city that I'll be cropping. Simply select your video and scroll down until you find the Edit button. Click on it and three options will appear: Mirror, Rotate, and Crop. Select the Crop option to open the cropping editor, where you'll find several settings. CapCut provides multiple aspect ratio options. The 9:16 ratio is ideal for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. There's also the 16:9 widescreen format, along with other standard options like 1:1 and 4:3. If you want more flexibility, you can use the free here option to manually adjust the crop to your preferred dimensions. Once you're satisfied with your crop, click the Done button and your video will be successfully cropped. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment below and I'll see you in the next video.